Yeah. That ain't the baby, that's my baby. Been over, then I murder. Call gunner if you want your burger. Oh, baby, you be lying your frishes. I be here, say you buying them purses. I can't even lie.
And let your baby hairs however you like. I'm gonna do mine the way I do them every day.
I took the bitch and I'm in nigga bed. These niggas know that I got them upset. These niggas faking, they playing pretend. I cannot fuck with you. I cannot fuck with you.
I like to focus on the front of the hair first because this is like the most important part to me.
I gotta do what I do. Let me go show you what I do. Come over, baby, the beggars are moving. I love how you do it. I love what you doing. I love how you moving. Baby, I'm good in the hood. These niggas, they need a little man. I said I'm running the money, you know what I'm doing, I'm good in the trap, yeah. I swear I waited for this, I swear I prayed for this, I swear I prayed for this.
But I'm gonna take some gel and I'm just gonna put it right here. And right here. That's just to secure those hairs that aren't long enough to get into the ponytail. For my short hair girls. I'm gonna take this elastic and just rubber band. So this is my braid now. Looking at it in the mirror, I'm not sure what happened here, but I finally got to the interesting part of the video. I'm gonna take these clips and open them all up. Take the first clip and dig it in here, in the back of my ponytail. I'm doing it kind of in the middle. I'm going to wrap around and clip to the braid again. Alright, we're good. The more I twist, I'm going up very high. Top one that just clipped in, and then I'm just going to make sure that they're all clipped. And I'm going to start wrapping it around my ponytail.
Follow no trends. Pay a little shooter, yeah, make it top bed. I took the bitch and I'm in nigga bed. These niggas know that I got them upset. These niggas faking, they playing pretend. I cannot fuck with you. I cannot fuck with you. I gotta do what I do.
So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take some spray and just put it on the side everywhere. I'm not gonna leave my ponytail like this. I'm actually gonna curl it.
So I still remember when the days that nobody loved me. Fuck it, I had to go run it up, yeah. I got that money, I'm coming, I'm straight in the bucket. I call up Mikey, you know that I'm pouring some money. pouring the money, get me the money. People be faking, people be stunting, people be fronting, people be bluffing. Me and my niggas, we coming from nothing. I know the game is so crazy, but baby, just listen. Hey, I can hear what they be saying, I hear them whispers. But fuck it, I keep on doing me, keep on just ballin'. Hey, I'm a big boss, ain't never scared to take any losses. No losses, what the cost is. I don't care, cause I'm rolling with the bosses. Got an AK or HK or SK with a big clip. When the shit spit, on this shit, get your waist split, better pray.
I just finished curling a couple of pieces. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys the base itself.